Okay, welcome to all of you, my dear students. In our 10th class physics, we discussed on the topic electric current or electricity. In our previous lecture, we discussed on mixed combination of resistance and heating effect of electric current and a very few concepts regarding electric power. Okay, and we also derived some formulae. P equal to V into I, voltage into current, P equal to I square into R, and P equal to V square upon R. So these three formula is related to electric power. First one is P equal to VI, P equal to I square R, and third P equal to V square by R. This is the fundamental formula and this is derived formula. Okay, only by putting the value of V equal to I into R and I equal to V upon R. So this is the main fundamental formula, and after this we can derive easily. Okay, what is the SI unit of electric power? Our next P equal to what? W upon T, and W is the work done. W is the work done. So work done is measured in joule upon second. So one important things is that the SI unit of electric power, SI unit of electric power, SI unit of electric power is watt. W-A-T-T watt or joule per second. Okay, SI unit of electric power is joule per second. And one more unit, SI unit, 1 watt. Watt equals watt, kilowatt, megawatt, okay, etc. But only basic unit is watt or joule per second. Okay, the electric power is the rate at which any electrical appliances convert electrical energy into other forms of energy. So in our household appliances, these consumes electrical energy, or our electric meter or energy meter, which is hang on outside of the house. So in our home, suppose one appliance is electric bulb, second electric fan, TV, refrigerator, heater. All these electrical appliances consume some energy, and on the basis of consumption of this energy we can calculate our electric bill, because this energy is not in the form of joule, this energy in the form of kilowatt hour or unit. So I write one very important relation regarding the electric energy. Okay, so you can easily calculate your electricity bill. Okay, power equal to what? Work done upon time, or energy upon time, or I write here energy equal to what? Power into time. Okay, power equal to what? Energy into time. So this energy is this energy is consumed by the electrical appliances. Okay, and the time factor is very important. Okay, for 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 hours, for what time period the bulb is switched on or the fan is on, our refrigerator is on. So it depends on time and energy will be consumed. Okay, one important thing, the commercial unit of the commercial unit of energy energy is kilowatt hour or unit or unit. Okay, 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour. One unit equal to what? 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, 1 unit equal to what? 1 kilowatt hour. And what is the relation between 1 kilowatt hour and joule? So we derive a relation. You see here. A relation between kilowatt hour and joule. Okay, one kilowatt hour equal to 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. And what is 1 hour? 3600 second. So 3600 into 1000 watt second. Okay, 36 into 10 to the power 5, 3 into 10 to the power 36 10 to the power 5 watt second. And if I write 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second, this is the 1 kilowatt hour, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second, or in place of watt second we can write joule. So what is the important relation? 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay, this is very important relation in between 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. So this is the energy consumed by any appliances when it run for 1 hour. Okay, so the commercial energy is measured in kilowatt hour or unit, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay, one important relation is also 1 HP. 1 HP means 1 horsepower. 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. 746 watt. What is a small unit of electric power? And 1 HP, 1 horsepower is the biggest unit of electric power. This horsepower unit is used for the electric power of industrial motor or irrigation motors. Okay, in our domestic if we use electric pump, or in our industrial purpose electric motor, electric pump, and the rating is expressed in 1 HP, 1 HP, half HP, 3 HP, 5 HP, 7 HP, 10 HP, like this. So 1 HP equal to what? 746 watt. This is the unit for the measurement of electric power. Okay. Now one question is that how to define 1 watt power? 1 watt power. How to define 1 watt power? Okay. 1 watt electric power. 1 watt electric power. So 1 watt equal to what? 1 joule upon 1 second. 1 joule upon 1 second. So if you write the definition, the rate at which any electrical appliances the rate at which any electrical appliances consumes 1 joule energy for 1 second is called 1 watt electric power. 1 watt electric power. Okay. The rate at which any electrical appliances consumes 1 joule energy for 1 second is called 1 watt electric power. Okay. This is the rating. We can say that this is the rating of any electrical appliances. Okay. So write this. If we take a numerical on the electric power, so how to calculate the electric power? Okay. Electric current of 4 ampere flows through a 12 ohm resistor. What is the rate at which heat energy is produced in a resistor? Rate. What is the rate? So from this word you understood that you have to calculate the electric power. This is the resistance of 12 ohm and a current is what? 4 ampere. So P equal to what? I square into R. What is the value of I? I is 4 ampere, so square 4 square, and what is R? R is 12, so 4 into 4 16 into 12. Okay, so you can get 192 watt. This is the value of electric power. 192 watt. This is the rate at which electric energy or heat energy is produced in a resistor. Okay, 192 watt. Write this numerical and their solution. This is another numerical. An heating element is marked 210 volt 630 watt. What is the current drawn by the element when connected to a 210 DC mains? What is the value of resistance? This is the heating element Okay, this is the element having, this is the heating element having resistance R. Okay, this element is connected to a DC source, DC mains, and the voltage is given 210 volt. This is DC cell. Cell DC means cell हो सकता है. So this heating element consume 630 watt power. One very important information: power equal to what? 630 watt. Okay, and given voltage is what? Voltage equal to 210 volt. Okay, this is watt, this is power, and this is voltage. So what is the current drawn by the element when connected to a 210 DC? If this DC source is connected through this element, then what is the amount of electric current flows in this element? So what is formula? P equal to what? V into I. Power equal to what? Voltage into current. So what is the value of I? I equal to what? P upon V. I equal to what? P upon V. So put the value of this and you will get the answer. Okay. I equal to P watt 630 and what is V? 210. So 0 to 0 cancel, 21 and this cancel 3 times. So current is 3 ampere. What is the value of electric current? Is 3 ampere. Okay. And what is the resistance? What is the resistance? How to calculate the resistance? So we have another formula for the calculation of resistance in terms of electric power. Okay. How to calculate electric resistance? P equal to what? V square by R. This is the one formula, and P equal to I square into R. This is also another formula for calculation of resistance. So what is the value of R from this? V square upon P. Okay. So V equal to 210 into 210 upon power 630. Okay, so 0 to 0 cancel, 21 cancel 3 times. Okay, so 370. So what is the value of R? R equal to 70 ohm. R equal to what? 70 ohm. Okay, and having another formula for R equal to what? P upon I square. Okay, so what is P? 630 upon 3 into 3. Okay, so this cancel, 210 and 370. So we'll get R equal to 70 ohm. Okay, so we have two formula for the calculation of electrical resistance. Either this R equal to V square by T or P upon I square. Okay, so which is easiest, you can calculate easily. Okay.